If your automotive security tool bills per bench, per seat, or per project, you're paying a tax that has nothing to do with the security you get. Look at how the automotive cyber platforms charge. Block Harbor, per bench, plus a pack for CAN, another for Ethernet, and the Tara sold separately, 5 figures per engagement. But instead, DeepCore runs the lifecycle on autopilot. Design, implement, test, monitor, one continuous AI loop, no human at every handoff. Put your own numbers in. Our total cost of ownership calculator totals it both ways at their published rates. Teams keep 65 to 74%. And on hardware, the strong ones lean on proprietary vector Cano. PTRG runs the OpenStack teams already use: Socket CAN, Peak, Python CAN, CANFD, UDS, DoBD2, JD39, some IP, no Cano license tax. See the whole field side by side, one honest grid, with the seat tax breakdown. PTRG is flat, one published monthly price, unlimited users, AI Tara authoring included. And where does it all matter? UN R155 and R156 make a certified CSMS a gate to type approval. No compliant Tara, no sale. PTRG maps every finding straight to those mandates. Prefer humans? Our DeepTalent operators run the whole engagement end-to-end. Offensive, blue team advisory, remediation retest, and hand you the signed bundle. We're not undercutting, we're outvaluing. Same Tara, same buses, none of the seat tax. Be the deeper.